Hey everybody, Chris Barron here. Thanks for switching over to MoGo. B1! B1 at Oulton Park in the MX-5, week 13. They knew I liked it, so they brought it back. I ran one good lap, and it was during qualifying, and it's what put me on P1, and I'm not very consistent. But we'll see how this goes. Luckily, Andre seems to be a relatively safe guy, and it stops there. But we also have people with higher I rating behind us, so they're aggressive to win. That's what that tells me. Hey, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I don't get pushed out in the first couple turns. I didn't know how fun week 13 could be. I really liked, I've done some of the special races that they've done. You've seen one or two of them. And I really like them. Especially the stock car. I know you haven't seen that one yet, but yeah, stock car around another track it's just a lot of fun. Really like it. Come on. Green, 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 green.
Green, green, green.
I was revving that thing out a little too long for my liking. Stayed on the inside, I got a little gap. Cold tires, taking it a little easy. Looked like it started at 4th. So 2nd and 3rd should still be pretty close to me. Definitely catching up right now. I'm still taking it easy while I'm letting the tires warm up. Could have taken that a little better. Looks like they're battling a bit, which is helping me out. Oh, and it's the two people behind me. Woo! Okay, well, boring race for you guys, but all I gotta do is keep it together. It looks like I might have another podium on my hands. We'll see. Still plenty of race to be had, though. You know, I'm definitely not the fastest or the most consistent, so. Alright, 7.8 seconds. See how it goes from there. I brake too soon there. Alright, about 8 seconds. gain an extra second. Looks like 2 and 3 are still battling back there. This is good for me. Nope. One of them fell hard. I wish I had the time and the patience to record this race, go back, put it in a small little box for you so you could watch their battle and see what happens back there. But that would take a lot of brain power and time, and I just don't have that kind of time. I don't have that kind of time. I'd rather be playing this, you know? You're stuck seeing a hot lap in qualifying. Mode go car. Pass left, pass left. Let's walk you through a lap. I don't want to take credit for it. I learned it from Dave Cam. I always watch him for my lap stuff. Anyways, black sign on the left. I brake when that happens. Turn in. You can use a lot of the left side track. Stay to the left and then I'll move to the right after the little kink. Shift to fourth. I kind of turn in a little bit. Downshift, and once the car is ready to rotate, you'll feel it kind of settle down. That's when I get back on the gas. I'm going to stay to the right hand side. I'm going to let off, turn in, and right after the thing ends on the left, I'm back on the gas. There's a little mark in the road. I brake there. Normally I shift into first on the turn, and I didn't. There's also a mark right here that I brake at, right there. I kind of face where I want to go, shift a second, back on the gas to help the car rotate. And this is essentially another straightaway. You're going pretty slow there, so you just want to try to keep as much speed as you can on this straight. I brake it to 60, down to second, turn in, use the gas. Again to help it rotate or push. Here I let off to let it rotate, back on. Oh, I lost some time there. Probably didn't need to let off. I really don't know this section, I just try to keep the wheel straight. I lean over to the left hand of the track, brake right before the pavement changes, downshift into third, and then hold the wheel turning right. On this, it's right after I get on this hill after the first thing that I start to brake. Down to second, turn in, back on the gas slowly. It's easy to lose it there. Hug the left side. It's a pretty clean lap within 7/100ths of my quickest. If I didn't record myself every time, I might just talk myself through every lap out loud. It seems to do better than in my head. Ivan's catching up a little bit. Oh, we got a lapped car coming up. Man, I really messed that up.
You got a dry car on the left.
Yeah, I got time to let him just figure that out real quick. Maybe I don't, though. I guess I don't need to be careful. I'm not that close to him right now.
White flag, nice and smooth.
Alright, hopefully he doesn't do anything too crazy. Like whip the car to the right like that.
The car in P3, just left the faster flat, 54.
Dang!
567.
I see a 54 flat over there. What am I doing braking? Jeez. We're getting closer. Did he turn the computer on? He's driving pretty well. That was it. That was it. Right?
You won. This is what happens.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! Boop-a-boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. Yeah, boy!
The car in P3, just left the faster flat, 54.4.
I've been having some pretty good luck with podiums lately, and dang does it feel good to get first. Again, I wish it was a little bit more exciting for you guys and girls and whoever else is watching. God, anyone, please watch. Anyways, please like and subscribe for more W's, more victories. One day maybe I'll even get a trophy. See you later. Bye.